Please check out our shirt on Teespring.
Hey folks, I'm going to open 1984 Topps baseball cards. And of course, could be Hall of Famer, which could be Hall of Famer, P. Rose. At this time, it was 49 cents. It's like almost $30 Amazon or eBay. Let's see what kind of period treasures. I'll be opening a total of 3 of these. Whoa, gum. Found the gum. P. Rose. I don't know anything. It was like, can't remember, it was like a Cowsick Park in the background. Got a Hall of Famer, Steve Rogers. Don't know about him. No. Keyboarded. This is what they look in the backside. Got his rookie card. That card. Got a manager. Kind of shows up his records. Lucas Gray. No. Oh my god. Oh, I thought it was a rookie card. But Holstart, cool. That'd be, oh my god, it's really awesome to see. Dwayne Loso, Hall of Famer manager. Too bad he died. Good old time watching him, getting his little temper tantrums. Got catchers. You got like, oh yeah, you got like White Sox, but he was with the Red Sox. Changed his number. 72 with the White Sox. He was 27 with the. I fucked it up. Red Sox. More gum. Yeah, not important. What is he? George Higland. Ever since you got Oriole card, that you see this card. Red Hood. Couple of good cards in this collection. Only 2 more left. Watching the Super Bowl right now. I think the Cincinnati could win this game. Old school. Be a big old party at Cincinnati. Looks like it. Lance. Corporate. Bobby. Bobby, he's in really stupid things. About some players. Oh, Bob Doom Boom. His sons. Got good sons playing with him. Susan Cooper. He had a decent career. Not Hall of Famer, but he had a decent career. I thought you don't run for a second. I was like dreaming of the dream. Smiley. Mike Rogers. I dropped some gum. Gum everywhere. Joe Toro. I'm not sure Hall of Fame manager. He's a Hall of Fame manager, I think. That's just stats. Action career, strikeout leaders. Hall of Famer. Hall of Famer. Not Hall of Famer. Bear. Shutter. Batting. This guy should be a Hall of Famer. Blonde. You got national career victory leaders. Hall of Famer. Hall of Famer. Oh, all Hall of Famers here. They're winners in my heart. They really are. Yeah, I don't know anything about these. Ah, shit. Oh. That's not good. I dropped some water. The last pack. Word. Look at the back. Hall of Famer, Goose Gossip. He's rich, but it's well, I don't know if it's Goops. Edge. John. Bob Dinner. What I like about these cards, I mean, at least the picture, their face picture looks different. I hate they're too lazy to use the same picture of both of them. That kind of bugs the crap out of me. Try to keep these videos. Terry Candy was my favorite player with the Giants. Of course, baseball card winning gum. Ooh, Jimmy Rice, Hall of Famer. I don't like Giants. I'm not know anything about this guy. He played like 5 seasons. Kids have all other Hall of Famers. I think he's got the Hall of Fame. Williams, Jay Johnston, D. Gordon. Oh, this guy was a play daddy, man. He got all the girls. Back daddy. Evil Chickless. Auto Advantage. Off, batting league pitchers. Batting hall. Last one. So let me know, like and subscribe. Maybe do better next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.